Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. I did a video on Sugarmade, looks like back on February 14th, and I was asked to do an update on it. Couldn't really find a whole lot of new information, but I did find something, so I thought I'd go over that and share with you. If you have any information on this one, go ahead and put it in the comments, as well as your how many shares you have and what your cost basis is. That'd be interesting to know. But as you can see, this is Sugarmade. It's kind of the called the DoorDash of MJ. It's a delivery, but it's Sugarmade. Ticker is SGMD, and it's over the counter. I haven't tried to buy this one yet. It's been on my radar, but I haven't purchased it yet. Since it is over the counter, you'd have to get it through TD Ameritrade, or if you can buy it through Fidelity, I would suggest buying it from them. That would save you about $7. But sometimes you can't buy over the counter on Fidelity. They're a little bit more conservative, so then you'd have to go to TD Ameritrade. But as you can see, what this one's done here over the last month, it was up to a little bit over a penny, and it's kind of came down ever since then. A lot of other MJ stocks have kind of done the same thing that I've watched, and the volume's been kind of up and down, kind of decreasing on it as well. But the article that I found here, this is just dated on the 13th, sees large drop in short interest. So maybe this will have a turnaround for the stock here. Sugarmade saw a large drop in short interest in the month of February. As of February 26, there was a short interest totaling 65,000 shares, a drop of 53.9% from February 11 total of 141,100 shares. Based on an average trading volume of 193,696,800 shares, the days to cover ratio is currently 0.0 days. Sugarmade stock remained flat at a 0.00 during the midday trading on Friday. The company stock had a trading volume of 81,162,000 compared to its average volume of 111,480,000. Sugarmade had a 52-week low of 0.00 and a 52-week high of 0.02. The stock's 50-day simple moving average is 1 penny. So this kind of says that they're in the paper and paper-based product. The company operates through these segments: paper and paper-based products, non-medical supplies, and MJ products delivered service. So that's what I'm interested in, and I'm sure everybody that's watching is interested in that part. And sales supplies products to quick service restaurants, as well as imports, distributes, and markets hydroponic supplies to various agricultural sectors. I also cover a lot of hydroponics here on my channel. One of my favorites is Grow Generation, GRWG. You can find that in my library as well. And like I said, I covered Sugarmade back on February 14th, on Valentine's Day. I'll try to leave that in the description as well. Kind of went over this on my last video, where Sugarmade closes definitive agreement to acquire majority stake in Nug Avenue, and this is on the 12th, so I covered that in my other video. Feel free to pause and read the rest there for yourself. It just kind of goes over that information. And this is just another view on the month, just kind of the rundown. So I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice, but maybe where it's ran down would be an excellent time to purchase some. So maybe I'll look a little bit closer at it now. But again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice. This is, like I said, the DoorDash of MJ, and not a whole lot of a lot of talk here over the last month. 11 days ago, Union Capital buys 227 million shares after hours. So kind of one to watch. A lot of people really like this particular company. I can see the, I can be totally optimistic about this one. Go ahead and watch my other video. The delivery in it in itself has got to say something about it. Where everything's DoorDash these days. Nobody, still in the quote pandemic, nobody wants to leave their home, so why not have it delivered? So, why go out when you can have things delivered, and even MJ products? So, but back to stock twits here, and I've kind of read kind of a mixed view here on, this person's bullish, but suckered a lot of people, showing millions of dollars worth of revenues through the MJ delivery service, yet the company changed business model. Chart looks so good, but don't trust these fools, smells like a big scam. So the last time I did my video, I was asked to cover this one, and I just haven't purchased any. I was into quite a few other penny stocks. Like I said, I haven't purchased this one yet. I'm not saying that I'm not going to, but I was just asked to do a review on it again. Like I said, I'm optimistic about this one. I can see the potential behind it. So, but a lot of things that I read on this one, a lot of people are pretty bullish on it. So, anything in the delivery space, I think, would take off. So, but that's basically all the information that I had on Sugarmade. Like I said, if you have any updated information, go ahead and leave that in the comments, as well as if you're bought any on it lately, on the dip, we'll call it here, on the rundown. And maybe this one will have a turnaround. So, but if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing. That would really help out the channel, as well as subscribing and hitting that bell so you're notified of when my next videos drop. And I got a couple more here tonight in the works, and I'll be working at it all this next week. I usually try to drop 2-3 a day, sometimes more. It just kind of depends on my schedule and everything else going on. So I thank you for all the support on the channel. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.